Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic country gardening, where the beauty of blooming flowers meets the joy of growing your own vegetables. Join us as we explore creative and easy-to-implement ideas for transforming your garden into a stunning rustic retreat that you'll love tending to every day. Whether you have a large yard or a cozy corner, these ideas will help you bring the warmth and charm of the countryside to your garden. Dedicate a section of your garden to a wildflower meadow. This low-maintenance area will attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Wildflowers add color, texture, and a natural, untamed beauty to your rustic garden. Build raised garden beds using reclaimed wood. These beds are easier to manage and give your garden a rustic, organized look. The weathered wood adds character while keeping your vegetable plots neat. Use mason jars as lanterns to light up your garden pathways or dining areas. Fill them with fairy lights or candles to create a cozy rustic ambience. They're easy to make and add a magical touch to your outdoor space. Repurpose old galvanized metal tubs to create unique and charming planters for your garden. These durable containers offer a rustic and industrial look that perfectly complements a farmhouse country style. Their sturdy construction makes them ideal for growing a variety of plants, from vibrant flowers to hardy vegetables. By using metal tubs, you can easily move your plants around to capture the best sunlight or to reconfigure your garden layout. Place a simple wooden bench in a quiet corner of your garden. It offers a place to rest and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Add some comfy cushions for extra comfort and a splash of color. Create pathways using natural materials like gravel, stone, or wood slices. These materials blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings and add a touch of rustic charm while guiding visitors through your garden. Construct trellises and arbors from wood to support both flowering plants and climbing vegetables. These structures add vertical interest and create charming focal points in your garden. Over time, climbing plants like beans, peas, cucumbers, roses, wisteria, or ivy will transform the simple wooden structures into lush, romantic features. Craft birdhouses from reclaimed wood or repurpose old tin cans. These birdhouses attract feathered friends and enhance the rustic charm of your garden. Hang them in trees or on posts to bring life and movement to your space. Set up a potting bench made from reclaimed wood. It provides a practical workspace and adds a charming rustic element to your garden. Customize it with hooks and shelves to keep your tools organized and within easy reach. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring ideas.